Okay, today I'm going to be unboxing Rock Liam right there. Okay, here it is. Now I'm going to open it up. Whoa! That was crazy. That was a crazy thing that happened over there. Okay, so here is the Facebook. Here is the sticker sheet. Here is the whipcord. Here's the launcher. Here's the wide ball tip. Here's the 145, just like First Eagle, same trick. Okay. Now the rock metal wheel, which to use my scissors. Okay, got it now. It's really like big, and it's kind of cool with these things there. Okay, now here's the Energy Ring Liam. Yeah, so that's all it comes with, and the cake part, forgot to mention it. So there it is. Yeah, and here is the cover. So bye.